Hi everybody, this is Brad Wewell, and I'm here doing this video today to kind of bring you up to speed on what's happened and what may happen next year with our new president-elect and, again, the new administration taking office on January 20th. Every time there's a new president, every time there's a new Congress, there's talk about tax changes. Donald Trump talked about tax changes on the campaign trail. Hillary Clinton, of course, did too. Now that we have Trump, we're going to kind of take a few minutes and walk you through a few things that we think may happen. We'll walk you through a couple of tips. And bottom line is, we will keep you posted on what's going to happen down the line. Nobody knows the future, and campaign promises and pledges come and go. We'll see. So here we go. Donald Trump went out of his way to talk about repealing the estate and gift tax. He's got a Republican House, he's got a Republican Senate. If there's ever been a chance to do it, it would be this perfect storm to do it. And personally, I think he may. I think he's going to try. There is certainly a possibility of a filibuster from the Democrats, who have currently 47 seats in the Senate after the runoff election in Louisiana, which the Republicans expect to pick up. So the Democrats still have 47 seats. It would be enough to stop some things, but we'll see. He's very serious about a lot of things. He'll get a lot of pushback, but it's something that we will, again, keep you informed on. I do want to say this, though, and I talked to some clients about it last week. Whatever they do, it will be subject to change in the future. The estate tax has been repealed and resurrected 4 times in the past. So whatever's gone comes back, and whatever leaves seems to return. So we'll keep you posted on that, but it's something that I wanted to bring to your attention, and hopefully we'll see. We do a lot of asset protection planning here too, and one of the things about asset protection planning is it's a lot simpler when we don't have to worry about the estate tax side of things. So hang on, stand by on that. He's talked about repealing the gift tax. I think it's going to be harder to repeal the gift tax than it will be the estate tax, because gift tax repeal could lead to income shifting. Now, what income shifting is where somebody who makes a lot of money shifts assets down to their children, let's say, who are in a much lower tax bracket. If I'm paying 43.4%, which is currently the highest income tax rate, and my kid is paying 15% income tax, if I can shift it down to him or her, and they're now paying 15% income tax, that's a cool thing, and we've done some of that in some other contexts, but that's really going to cut into the federal government's income tax collections. So I think that'll be harder. Again, he said he wanted to. We'll see what happens on both those fronts as well. Capital gains taxes, though, may expand. One of the things that was part of his proposal to eliminate estate and gift taxes is to also eliminate, or at least partially affect, the step-up on basis on the first and second death. And what that means is, currently under estate tax law, the surviving family members get a step up in the basis when somebody passes away. So let me walk you through this. Let's say that I bought IBM stock at $10 a share, and now it's worth $110 a share. And if I sell it today, I pay a capital gains tax on my $100 profit that can be as high as 23.8% capital gains tax. If I die, my family gets a brand new basis in that IBM stock of $110 a share. They sell it the day after I die, there's no capital gains tax due, because they just got this step up. That's something that may be eliminated. If that's eliminated, that will cause additional flurries and fluffs. I'm sure there'll be strategies that will be employed to work around those things. Again, we'll keep you posted on what's available and what actually changes. And my sense is these changes will be in place between now and July 1st. Don't forget the legislature's coming back. They are a busy bunch of beavers. They show up here every other year and every odd year, and they will be here in 2017 to improve our lives. So we'll also let you know what sort of changes are coming from that bunch too. A couple of tips. This is December, so if you're going to make charitable gifts, make them this year. Another proposal that's been floating around out there is to cut back on charitable tax deductions. So if you want to get, again, bang for the buck on a charitable tax deduction, you're better off making it probably this year than next year. Again, that's a proposal. We don't know if it's going to go through, but the commentators are suggesting that if you're going to make an extra donation to your favorite charity, do it in 2016, not wait till 2017. And Roth IRAs is the other tax tips. So you may want to wait on doing a Roth conversion, because this year the income tax brackets are higher than we would expect them to be next year with a Republican president, a Republican Senate, and a Republican House. We think tax rates in general are going to go down. So if you do a Roth conversion, you probably know you have to pay the income taxes on your IRA that you're converting to a Roth, and those can be substantial and significant. Waiting till next year when that bracket or when the rate is lower would probably be a smart thing to do. Other than that, we will let you know about all manner of other changes that are going on. The lawyers here meet weekly to discuss new things that we learn, and every 3 years as a life planning client you come in, as you know, and we replace your plan with all the new good stuff. If there's something critical that happens between those 3 years, we'll let you know that too. And we're always happy to hear from you. So you watch this video, if you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, let us know. We don't charge for phone calls, faxes, emails, or copies, or changes you may want to make in between the 3 year cycles that we've got lined out for you too. We appreciate you being our clients. We'll do everything we can to do a good job for you. If you want to take this video, this emailed video, and send it off to family and friends that you've got, you're welcome to do that too. And if there's anybody else in your circle of family or friends that we can help, please let us know that as well. Have a great holiday season. We'll see you next year. Thanks.